Hey, how's it going? So in this video today I'm going to show you how to resolve an issue that seems to be very common with HP laptops. It happened to my HP laptop as well, and I recently resolved it. So basically, whenever you go to shut down the PC or put it into sleep or hibernate, the power button would actually stay on and the screen would be black. So everything will be on, including the fan, but the screen is completely black. I replaced my mechanical hard drive with a solid state drive, so then I ended up getting the latest drivers and it actually caused this issue. So what I did was roll back to the version that I had before I updated my hard drive, and what kept happening was Windows will automatically update it, and then if Windows didn't automatically update it, the HP support would automatically update it. So there was only one other alternative, which is the solution I'm about to show you guys now. Also, I will be doing a video on how to replace the mechanical hard drive on this particular HP laptop. Please make sure you subscribe so you can get an update for when it's uploaded. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're logged in as an administrator account, Kingsley being my account, which is an admin account, and Claudia is a standard user account. So what I'm going to do is sign in on the admin account. If you don't have an admin account, please make sure you make one. You should have an admin account because there has to be at least one administrator on the PC. So once you're logged in on the admin account, just simply search for device manager and then head down to where it says system devices, expand system devices, and then go down to where it says Intel Management Engine, double click on that, and then go over to the power management tab, and then just simply uncheck where it says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Now if you are logged in as a standard user, you won't be able to see this tab. The last tab that you will end at is resources, and as well, if you went on a standard user account, you should get a warning if you try to access the device manager. In addition to all of that, I would also recommend you disable fast boot. Now how to do that is simply going over to your battery icon, or if you don't have the battery icon, just search for power management, and then you should see edit power plan, and then just go back one tab up here to power option, and then go to choose what closing the lid does. Then click on change settings, and then just simply uncheck turn off fast startup. Once you have that done, you can just simply power off the PC or restart the PC, and everything should be in working order. So that's pretty much my way of resolving this issue. It should work for the majority of you. However, every user is kind of different depending on your laptop itself. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video and if it did help you out, please make sure you leave a like, and of course leave a comment down below if you have any questions. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.